Fuck.
You're allergic to squatted trucks?
I am. Yeah, so I've been spending the past like 3 days cleaning this thing. It actually looks really good. I've got all the trim all cleaned up. I clay barred the entire truck. I buffed the entire thing. Did 3 stages. And now I got frame all cleaned up. Polish the wheels. Fun times. All for the show. All for the show. It's actually really clean. And then, dang, that thing is disgusting. What do you do, go mudding in it? Gabe showed up with my Automotive and that big bitch. But he brings this. We're finna go to a show. He brings this, and it looks like he just dragged it out of a pond. Literally. We're gonna fix that for him though. He's still sleeping. We're gonna go ahead and unload it and get it freaking washed up because it is disgusting. The road grader is gonna be so excited to see this on the road. I'm gonna take this to go get energy drinks. This is actually, well, it's probably like one of the biggest trucks in a lot of states, but my truck's the biggest truck in probably the state, well, around this area, at least in the next 100-mile radius. So I know this is literally gonna make people and then we're gonna clean it too. So my sister wants to go up to Gabe's truck. She's never gotten in there, but she needs a ladder. That's how you know your truck's too big. On the second rung? Well, you need the third rung. Ladder's gone. Now you're screwed. Does it sit up there pretty high?
Yeah.
Well, you're supposed to leave my house. My roof is gonna hit that. Anyways, we're supposed to leave my house at freaking 3 o'clock in the morning. It is now 8. We are definitely gonna be late as hell to Justin's show. So that's exciting. I'm gonna do a cold start on this truck. I already got the aluminum duty running. And we've got stuff to do. Like, we're gonna be really, really late now. I've been running. Aluminum duty going. Gotta put the 4th gen in the shop. Aluminum duty is freaking filthy. There's Gabe's truck. Oh yeah. Let's get this shit done. Because we're late. Oh yeah, we loaded it up, boys. About to break some necks and take over Justin Champagne's show and battle at the Alamo. Detailed. Looks like a frame off. Polish the wheels. Clean. We got his truck all cleaned up. Overlays, rock lights are working. He's super happy. Look out.
Can we put a flag on this? Is that the legal thing we're supposed to do?
I don't think it's past 5 foot, so you don't have to.
Ah, fuck it. Yeah, because DOT is gonna be worried about this.
Yeah, literally. DOT be worried about the hitch hanging over? Probably not.
Probably just 30,000 pounds of trucks.
You pay me absolutely nothing. I'll do that out of the pure heart, love, and joy that I have in my heart for these squatted trucks. See that freaking road grader out there?
Yep.
I will hop in that sun gun and I'll mow over all of them squatted trucks.
Yeah.
Just for fun.
I would too.
That's the coolest thing.
Sounds like a good time.
Look at him, perfect.
Well, this quad's sick. I would honestly take that over the nicest squatted truck here.
It's the wheels that you were talking about. They all have the same wheels. He's gonna wreck it. Oh my god! He's stuck. 100% stuck. No way!
You gotta get through.
No way!
Bro, he gets through. Okay, I'm kind of impressed.
No way!
Oh, he stuck that time. Yeah, you're done.
He's getting out! He's getting out! What the fuck?
How? He was so...
Two wheelie! Oh! Into the truck.
I saw that over there and I genuinely thought someone took your truck.
I literally, like, my stomach flipped when I seen that.
Yeah,
I'm
me
not
too.
shitting you.
I think my mouth was like...
I literally almost had to...
Finally got it. And she got a little sensitive. I think she's taking after my truck.
Yeah.
She's a little sensitive.
What the fuck? That was a bitch and a half.
That was at least 3 bitches, honestly.
Loaded up and ready to go to the next state, right?
No. We're actually... that's my new truck. He's bringing it over for me.
Oh! Is that Justin Champagne?
It is Justin Champagne.
Justin Champagne.
Justin Champagne and his 26s.
That's pretty sick, actually. I need 26s on my Aluma fuck.
Aluma fuck. Where are you going to use?
Well, do a burnout. Pulling in here, Gabe has discovered a flat tire.
Well, you see, when you have a dually as fat as mine, you just go through trailer tires like Santa Claus goes through wrapping paper. Literally.
Precisely.
Okay.
I think this tire had too many shots.
You want a shot?
He had too many shots. Literally made spaghetti. Shut up! Why? Why do you gotta be like that? Truck looks great. Beautiful sunset. Spaghetti tire. Decent. I don't think that's healthy. Yeah, that's good stuff. You know, Riley's is 1.9 miles away, and we're literally gonna just drag this bitch there. Whoa! What?
Onward, like the Vikings.
Hee-ho! Let's go! Bad this wheel is now.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, there's no more tire anymore.
Yeah, ate that rim, it's gone.
Hey, if you want that wheel, I'll talk to you. It's sick.
Guy from O'Reilly's hooked us up with this 20-ton bottle jack, so you know, we can change it and not be doing burnouts all the way to Dallas, because that would be pretty fun though. I'm not gonna lie, we should do it.
I think we should change it. I don't think we need that anymore. That's the one we need.
Yeah, I think that one would work a little bit better.
But we've got some wire back here from the tire that's literally wrapped around the axle that I'm gonna have to get off.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think actually something got cut.
Yeah, that doesn't look too healthy.
Quick little minor adjustment. The back tires are taking on a lot of stress. I think that's why that other one blew off. So he's gonna pull forward a little bit. Such a nice evening. Oh, hello neighbor. How you doing?
Howdy.
My name's CJ.
I'm Gabe.
Oh, Gabe Farrell.
Yeah,
I know who you are. You're from YouTube, right?
Are you Crew Diesel?
I am. Yeah. I just moved into this nice house last night.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we just left. You were at Justin Champagne's concert, right?
Yeah, I was. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was there too. I thought I'd seen this big bitch there.
Yeah, I could have swore they were on the same trailer.
Yeah, for sure. No, I just moved here last. I went to Mississippi and come back over here, pick up my new house, and it's awesome. You live what, right there?
Yeah, that's mine.
Is that Haley's new Scion?
No, that's mine.
The maids?
That's mine.
Housewife. Okay. So no, I just people were wondering why we were coming to Texas, and it's because we just had to go scoop up a new house.
Yeah.
This is gonna be kind of like a ride a horse type of house type of deal, Leo. I don't know. I like Texas. Texas is pretty decent. We can just pull our guns out whenever we want.
And buy boots and.
Yeah, no, for sure.
And we can,
that's where I get all my exotic boots at, is Texas.
I heard King Ranch is actually here.
King Ranch is here, and I am the king of King Ranches. I am the King Ranch.
You're the King
I'm
Ranch?
the ranch of kings. I'm the king.
What does that make me?
I'm the king of ranches. Ranches are kings. Ranch owners are kings. Kings are...
I like ranch.
Ranch dressing.
I don't really like
Hidden
ranch.
Valley. I am in the Hidden Valley. That's where my truck's at right now.
This is the Hidden Valley.
This is the Hidden Valley. This is Hidden Valley Resorts. We're going to Battle of the Alamo next.
Nice.
Yeah, that'll be the next, I think, maybe the next video, if we're lucky.
I heard Lacey
if you're
Blair's
lucky.
in town.
Oh, yeah, we are going to go to Lacey Blair's shop. That's going to be fun. Hopefully, I seen on her Instagram she had new tires to burn off.
Oh, did she?
I mean, she might as well just get them heated up for Battle at the Alamo.
Yeah.
So
we gotta warm
Tuesday, we'll just... It's the other fucking watch every time. Yeah, so Tuesday we're gonna meet up with Lacey.
Nice.
And she's gonna burn the tires off, get them heated up a little bit for Battle at the Alamo.
I have fronts, so I could burn off my fronts. Yours are all good, so
Yeah, I'll just burn off all of mine.
And then that one too. We also just bought that.
That's a King Ranch. That's a King Ranch. This is a King Ranch.
And
that's ours picking up another King Ranch.
That's a Scion. It's not a King
Wednesday.
Ranch. That actually is a King Ranch. It's a King Ranch Scion.
That is a King Ranch. Yeah.
So we're gonna have like 5 King Ranches, 6 and.
Oh, my
17.
Illumiduty. That's a King Ranch.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That's over at Home Depot.
Your 5th gen is pretty much like a King Ranch.
Just better.
Just the Ram style of a King Ranch. I don't like them.
I think it's.
I would have to tell you a secret. That'd be my secret.
That you don't like my 5th gen.
Yeah, I don't like
my 5th gen. You like my 5th gen?
Yes.
She likes my 5th gen. That's all that matters.
This is my outro. I didn't invite you to be my outro.
You know what?
No, but I met his brother who.
What?
Oh, howdy, neighbor.
Oh hey.
How you doing? Wait, aren't you that guy from TikTok and YouTube?
Yeah.
Gabe Farrell, right?
Yep.
Oh, I'm a big fan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jay, Crew D's also.
Oh,
I just moved in over here.
I've heard of you.
Yeah.
Is that my girlfriend?
I just got fucking tire shot in
I'm
my ass.
sorry. Just putting my dishes away. Shit.
How'd you get my truck in your driveway?
I've got to move again.
You took my girl and my truck.
Can I do anything to help with the girlfriend and truck issue?
I do like ice cream.
I can take you out to Cold Stone.
All right, we can do that.
Okay.
That's fair.
Yeah, let's go.
That didn't seem like an outro. It seems like a porno.
Well, it kind of got interrupted.
Sorry.